Class, this is the class of computer, and today we have learned the topic function. Firstly, we understand what is function. It is widely used in C and C++ programming. A function is a group of statements. It is a group of statements that together perform a task. Function is a group of statements that together perform a task, and every C and C++ program having a function, that is main function. In each and every program there is a function, that is main. It is essential function in every program. There are another function also, user defined functions and built-in function. User defined functions and built-in functions. We can define additional functions like user defined functions and built-in functions. A function declaration having mainly three parts, that is data type, function name, and number of arguments are parameter list. A function declaration having mainly three parts, that is data type, function name, and number of arguments are parameter list. Then we understand how we defining or declare a function. How we defining or declare a function. If we want to define or declare a function, for that firstly we return type or data type, function name, and after that parameter list. We declare a function with its return type or data type, function name, and parameter list. There is an example of function: int add int a comma int b. Here return type or data type is int, function name is add, and parameter list are integer a and integer b. After that, we return the statements in function body. In function body. If we want to return the statement, then we open the function. After that, we return the statement and then the printing of the output in main function. Function declaration tells us and tells the compiler about return type or data type, the function name and parameter list. Firstly, we understand what is return type. Return type. Every program has a return type. Generally, by default, return type is integer. If there is no value returned, then its type is void. Default return type is int, and if the value is not returned by the function, then data type is void. In C and C++ program, there are many types of data is used, that is integer, character, float, and the default return type is int. If there is no return, then void is used. Void is also a data type. After that, we understand what is function name. It tells about the function which task is performed by the function. It tells about the function which task is performed by the function. We can also understand with the help of example like int add, int a, int b, void sum, int a, int b, int c. So these are the example where the function name is add and sum. The function name is add and sum. After that, we understand what are parameters. After that, we understand what are parameters. It is like a placeholder where we can hold the values, where we can hold the values. This value is referred as a argument. This value is referred as an argument and be written any number of parameters in our function header. In our function header. For this topic, notes are already given, and there are two types of functions in C and C++. Firstly, user defined functions, and second one is library functions. So thank you class for understanding function topic, where we understand the definition of function, the parts of the function, and return type, function name and parameters.